जिन्हें तूने बख्शा है ज़ोके खुदाई, धोनी में इनकी ठोकर से सहरा और दरिया, सिमट कर पहाड़ इनकी हैबत से राही। शहादत है मतलूब मकसूद मोमिन, शहादत है मतलूब मकसूद मोमिन, नमाज गनीमत न ईश्वर के शाही। ऑनरेबल टीचर and my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I proudly speak about the moment of glory, Martyr. The battle that proved Pakistan stands for truth, courage and honor. When our enemy launched violent attack on our peaceful land, they did not respect what came next. They targeted civilians, tried with missile and drone. But our mighty defender, the Pakistan Army and the Shaheen of Pakistan Air Force, responded with thunder, with faith and fight. They brought down 6 enemy jets, including Rafale. This was a snap to the face of India. Our operation was named Bunyan Masood. Our title was inspired by the Holy Quran. Surah Saf, Ayat 4. Allah said, indeed, Allah loves those who fight in His cause and land, as though they are solid structure. Our soldiers stood like solid wall, united and unbeatable. They silenced the enemy, destroyed their air bases, prepared for ceasefire. Pakistan honor was protected, our flag waved higher than ever before. Let us raise our hand in salute to our martyrs who gave their lives and to our Ghazi who returned back with pride. It is not just a battle, it was a martyr, the symbol of truth victory. ओ हल्का यारात को परेशान की तरह नरम, ओ हल्का यारात को परेशान की तरह नरम, रज़्म हक को बातिल हो तो फौलाद है मोमिन। May Allah always protect our beloved homeland, Pakistan, Zindabad, Powerful, Thank you.